Hey guys! I wanted to spend some time today talking about our essay that's due next week. This is our final essay for the semester and it is over definition and example. So that's the format that we're using for this essay. Let's look at the prompt together. So, like I said, your essay is definition and example, and you are going to be defining fixed and growth mindset. So I want to see in your intro paragraph that you spend some time defining both fixed and growth mindset. Now, if it has been a while since you've thought about fixed and growth mindset, there's a video here that I have linked that you can click on and go watch. It's the video that we watched the second day of the semester, and he talks about fixed and growth mindset. You will, in addition to giving the definition, you will spend your body paragraphs to giving examples from your own life of fixed or growth mindset. What I'd really like to see here is more growth mindset than fixed, because hopefully you're rooting out all of that fixed mindset in you. But you're going to provide examples of fixed and or growth mindset. You may write this essay in first person because you will be using examples from your own life. It also should be written in MLA format, that is, Times New Roman, 12-point font, double-spaced, with the proper MLA heading. I wanted to show you a student example from last semester so you get a feel of what that looks like. So, here is my student example from last semester. You can see she starts off talking about the two different mindsets, fixed and growth mindset. Then she goes on to define fixed mindset as well as growth mindset, right? That you can change, right? That through hard work and dedication you can learn new things, you can improve. And then she gives her three examples that she's going to talk about in her own life, how she's changed from when she had a job when she was 16 to 21, going from high school to college, and then personal feedback. So those are her three examples from her life. And if we scroll down here, you can see she spends some time talking about how she was at 16 and versus how she is at 21. And how her mindset has changed. Same thing when she went from high school to college. So all of her examples are moving from fixed to growth. So she's talking a little bit about fixed and a little bit about growth in every single one. You don't have to do this. You can have a straight fixed example and then two straight growth examples. It doesn't really matter to me how you structure your examples as long as you are providing examples for fixed and or growth mindset in each paragraph. So you'll provide three examples and then you will put your conclusion in there. Remember that in your conclusion, you first rewrite your thesis statement in different words and then you leave the reader with a so what. All right, so that is our student example. I also wanted to show you the outline. Okay, I have attached just a blank outline. You will submit an outline for this assignment, but you will write your thesis statement, right, which should include your 3 points that you're planning on talking about, your point about those, right? So here she talked about they were all examples of having a fixed or growth mindset, right? So she's moving from fixed to growth here, and these are her three examples. I want to see the same thing with you. What's the point that you're trying to make? Are these fixed or growth examples? And then give me an idea of what those examples are going to be. Don't forget to write your topic sentences, the first sentence of your paragraph that tells me everything that's going to be in that paragraph. You will only use one example per paragraph. You should still have no problem reaching 600 words with one example. You'll also include your transition sentences. So that is that. Let me know if you have any questions about fixed and growth mindset or about definition and example essays. So remember, this is a definition and example essay. The purpose is to give a definition and then illustrate that definition with examples. So your whole paper should be about fixed and growth mindset, what they are, and examples of it. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck!